Hello everyone! Brittany here from Vivacious Views. We're about to give Nemo some treats. I just had some groceries delivered. I'm doing these Old Roy dog treats. I was doing the bacon strips and these are half the price and I think they're a little bit healthier for him because he does have a little fat belly on him. So I'm, working on that little fat bellern, but we're gonna give him a dog treat, and because there was a few things that were not delivered that they didn't have in stock, I am gonna have to go and get a few groceries at the store. Luckily, my nearby grocery store has a Starbucks inside, and I definitely want to go in and see the fall flavored coffee that they have. So let's give Nemo a treat and go do some shopping.
Sit. Up.
I'm at the Starbucks in our grocery store and there is no fall drinks. They said that they'll be here at the beginning of September. I'm so sad. I specifically came here mostly to get the Starbucks drink, also to get a few groceries, but I'm very sad about this. They do still have the caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna order that and just try to be happy. While they're making my drink, I want to take a look at some cups that they have. They do still have some of the spring cups here, little floral cups. I do like these a lot, but I was really hoping that there would be some fall cups in here. They have this mermaid cup, which is made of glass, so a little cool, but also a little dangerous. They have these color changing cups with color changing straws that are reusable. That's really cool. They also have these beautiful cups. They have the rivets on them. I really love these little diamond-esque rivets on them. This pink and blue one is gorgeous. I love this. This is my favorite. I may have to buy this one. They also have their coffee selection. Their instant coffee is really good. I'm kind of bummed that they didn't have the fall selection, but there is a lot to choose from here. Here is our caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino coffee, and it looks so good, and it also tastes so good. I did drink a good bit on the way home, but here it is. It is delicious. This is one of my favorites on the Starbucks menu. And I got this for today because today's my day off. And I'm going to do a little housework, a little bit of cleaning. So I needed that coffee buzz. While I'm doing my at-home cleaning and housework, I'm going to put in footage where I went to Homegoods and Bath & Body Works and looked at some fall and Halloween merch that I had to bring home. So at the end of the video, I've got a little fall haul, and also we're doing a Nightmare Before Christmas giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that. Let's get spooky. This is my first time in Homegoods, and they have so many spooktacular things. There's so many things in here that I want to buy and take home with me. Check out this eyeball. I guess you would say snow globe, but it's not a snow globe with Halloween. It's an eyeball globe. My mom came up to me with this candle and said, "What does it smell like?" And it smells just like Soarin'. If you've been on Soarin' at Epcot, This candle smells exactly like Soren, so I may have to buy this. Homegoods has some Jack Skellington trays and also some Hocus Pocus little dishes. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, $9.99. I love this. Check out these villain mugs. You know Ursula's my favorite. I love these villain mugs. They have a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas stuff that I did not think they would have. Look at this amazing Jack Skellington mug. It has the spider webs on it and you can feel it on the cup. I think we may have to do this as a giveaway. This is way too awesome not to do it as a giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of the video for all the details on how to win this mug. Look, they have a whole Nemo section of all kinds of dog bowls that are Halloween themed. I love this so much. Oh, because that's what his little Mandalorian has in it. They have a lot of throw pillows that you can use in your living room or wherever you want to put them. These pillows are amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this haunted house pillow. Look at this awesome pumpkin piece. It's an artwork piece and it reminds me of a movie. The movie was called Return to Oz. And if you remember that movie, comment down below. I love that movie so much. This is gorgeous. $179.99. Oh, and the head bobbles. We're checking out now, getting our little goodies, and this store is huge. Just take a look at it. There's so much in this store. I had no idea that Homegoods was so big. All right, we're in Bath & Body Works now, checking out the new fall and Halloween scents. Wanted to get some new stuff for my house as well as our upcoming Disney trip. And I am loving these new spooky candle holders that they have for this season. I didn't see these last year, so I'm thinking that they're new for this year. Look how cool this looks. And you can also get this haunted house candle holder that I'm sure looks really cool, but for $200, that's kind of steep, Bath & Body Works. Here is our Bath & Body Works haul, and I got this sweet cinnamon pumpkin hand soap for my guest bathroom. This is a scent that I really love every year. For my shower gel, I got the Wicked Vanilla Woods, which has a really cool bat design on the bottle, and the scent is Magical Vanilla, Glowing Amberwood, and Enchanted Pink Pepper. And it smells really sweet and I love it because I love sweet smelling scents. I also got the body spray to match. So I really like these a lot. I also picked up the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Lotion because they didn't have a lotion for the Wicked Vanilla Wood scent that I picked up. But once I got home, I wasn't a big fan of this scent. So I think I'm going to take it back and exchange it. I also got the caramel pumpkin swirl candle that smells so yummy. I'm going to take this on our Disney trip with us for the hotel room, just to kind of make our hotel room smell a little fall. If you could smell this, it smells so good. Caramel and pumpkin, perfect together. I also picked up some hand sanitizers for our upcoming trip. Got the sweet cinnamon pumpkin, the Too Gourd to Be True, and the vampire blood is a Halloween scent they've had for a few years now, and I love it. They actually didn't have the shower gel or body spray or even the hand soap in that either. So there will be another trip here soon back to Bath & Body Works. And I want to let you all know that if you go to the Bath & Body Works website, you can sign up for their emails and you can put in your home address and they'll send you coupons in the mail. Today I had a coupon for a free body product up to $12.50. It also came with a 20% off coupon. So that's just something to keep in mind if you like shopping at Bath & Body Works a lot, like I do. And from Homegoods, I got this really awesome spatula and cookie cutter that is Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. And I just thought this was too cute not to pick up. It was only $3.99, so I had to get it for my kitchen. And I do think I'm going to use this little crossbones cookie cutter here to make Nemo some little Halloween dog treats coming up in the next month or so. So stay on the look for that. I'll do that in a video. I also picked up these really awesome villain cups. When I saw these, I had to get them. I just had to. 16-ounce cups, and they do come with Ursula, and they come with Cruella de Vil, and also Maleficent, and then, of course, the Evil Queen. So these are just awesome. I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to use these all year long because to me, the villains aren't just for Halloween. And you all know that Ursula is my favorite. I love Ursula so much. Really stoked. I may give the Maleficent glass to my mom because she's a huge Maleficent fan. But I do love these cups so much. And these cups were $16.99. So I'm wondering if HomeGoods does clearance on all their Disney villain Nightmare Before Christmas merch, because I will be going back to stock up on that. And as per usual, after a day of grocery shopping and cleaning, I don't want to cook, so I have ordered some Domino's. And while I'm waiting for my pizza to get here, I want to show you a little bit of what I did. I pulled out all of my Halloween stuff and I started going through it. I even started putting a little bit of it up, and there will be a video coming up in the next few weeks showing you guys how I transform my house into a spooky spectacular. All right, so my pizza has arrived. It really didn't take too long to get here, and this is my favorite pizza. It is a chicken pizza with buffalo sauce, mozzarella cheese, and provolone. And it is so good. It's my favorite pizza at Domino's. And I don't know if I've told y'all before, but eons ago, I worked at Domino's as a manager. I have tried every pizza, and this pizza is the best pizza. For dessert, I got the marbled cookie brownie, which is my favorite dessert from there, although those lava cakes are pretty good. This dessert's all ooey gooey, and I love it. Okay, now it's time for our giveaway. We're doing this Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington Cup giveaway. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below your favorite character from Nightmare Before Christmas. We're going to run this giveaway through August 31st and announce the winner in our September 1st video. I will put all the info on how to enter down in the description below. Good luck, everyone! Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to enter that giveaway. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for future travels and giveaways we have coming up. And we have a lot of exciting stuff coming your way. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and y'all are all a bunch of sweet peas.